Hola, estamos en Friedrichshafen 2019 con Eric de Elecraft, que nos va a presentar el K4, el equipo recientemente anunciado por Elecraft y que con seguridad se va a convertir en uno de los grandes equipos en el mundo de la radioafición. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning.
So you have just announced the K4.
Yes.
Could you give us the essence of the most important things about the K4?
Well, okay, there's a lot of very important items, of course. Would you like me to pause after each item, or should I just go full description? Okay. The K4 is our newest radio, high-performing, direct sampling, software-defined radio, but with also a lot of the DNA from the K3 too, in terms of high performance. So this radio is a fully software-defined radio, but also has high performance in terms of dynamic range, of course, and overall features. The radio we actually have in 3 different models. The K4, which has the basic SDR radio with 2 receivers, 1 antenna input, though you can transmit on multiple if you have the auto tuner for receive, with a single 16-bit A to D converter, high speed. And then we can go to the K4 HD with a second 16-bit A to D converter that gives you 2 antennas simultaneously, same band or different bands. So you can do diversity reception with the 2 antennas on the same frequency if you wish, or you can listen on different bands at the same time, of course. And then the K4 HD also has an additional feature, this is the 3rd version, and you can upgrade from one to the other, that allows you to add a K3 style front end with some dedicated IF crystal filters that we supply for narrow and wide, and then we do final direct sampling at the IF with the direct sampling receiver. That gives you very good blocking dynamic range, another 20 dB or more of blocking dynamic range.
Good. Could you please elaborate a bit more on this hybrid architecture? Because, I mean, a few years ago, I thought, or we thought, SDR was the perfection, the future of receivers. But now it looks like other manufacturers are also using hybrid. Why do you think hybrid gives
I think that
better performance?
there are advantages of both our approaches, and so we give you both choices. You can turn this on and off in the radio. Basic SDR has a large amount of flexibility with direct sampling in terms of maybe advanced signal processing for wider bandwidths or noise reduction, things along those lines. But if you also combine that with a high definition or high dynamic range front ends, like we use in the K3, that gives you also the ability to handle extremely strong signals, more than the average user might hear. But if you're at a like field day or multi-transmitter very close, maybe within 100 meters or more of each other at a contest station or in a de-expedition, that is at most pure SDRs that might overload the receiver because it's so strong. But with hybrid, you can also handle those strong. So most people don't have to use the hybrid.
Do you think hybrid is more relevant for contesters?
I think mostly for high-end contesting, multi-stations. Single contester at home, maybe not so much. It's for the very, very strong signal nearby, physically.
Yes. So could you explain the 3 screens here?
Oh, yes. Okay, well, the K4, of course, has a built-in pan adapter display and also touch screen, so I can tune the signal moving across the band, also with fingertip, VFO, or even mouse if I wish. I can go here and change it with my mouse too. We have a built-in display on the K4, of course. The K4 is also capable through HDMI, directly driving the monitor here on the left. So we have taken, what's nice here is we have an independent screen. We can put anything we want, not just a copy of the main display. So we specialize on this particular display today with just the pan adapter. So you have a better high resolution, big display. But also we built into the K4 remote control. So on the K4 we can control, we have a built-in server software to be controlled by another K4 and display the pan adapter, have audio, everything over the network. It has built-in Ethernet on the back. So for this demonstration I have an Ethernet cable to a small wireless router. And also I can use software application. This one is running, turn off the battery charger there. This is running on a small tablet, and I can control the radio and adjust the frequency, everything at the same time.
Good.
You hear me? Turn it up again.
Fantastic.
So we have built-in remote control and the high performance in the system.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Eric. Thank you.
Santos, thank you.
Thank you.